the lightning tree. Its limbs all torn from the day it was born, for the tree was born in a thunderstorm. Grow, grow the lightning tree, it's never too late for you and me. Grow, grow the lightning tree, never give in too easily. Down in the meadow when the wind blows free, a whispering green in the lightning tree. Dreams come true when you want them to. If you want them to, then it's up to you. Grow, grow the lightning tree, never give in too easily. Lightning tree.
It's gonna rain.
Shh. You ought to be out giving Steve an hand.
Yeah, ought to. Not right, leaving it all to him.
You goon.
Oh, me? Yeah, well, it's me back, innit? Rain brings it on.
Rain, he says. It wasn't raining yesterday.
Not here, no. Hurry up, here comes Sir.
Can't that wait?
I'm sorry, Uncle's coming today. He likes to pay it all in a lump sum.
Has to, you mean? How much is this place gonna cost him this month?
Shh, I'm trying to add it up.
Small fortune, I'll bet. Ooh. Tansy's ill, by the way.
What is it?
Don't know. Could be laminitis.
Oh, no.
I've given her a mash. I'll get it.
No,
I'll get it.
Here, not now. I'm getting breakfast.
I just want to see Tansy. I won't be a minute.
That's the second this week. People with horses got nowhere to keep them in winter. They should worry. Someone will have to tell me what to do with ours.
What did you say?
Fellow with a couple of yearlings wants us to keep them here and school them. Pick them up in the spring.
And?
So bring them along. 10 quid a week each. Can't be bad. You know, another month, and we're going to have to find stalls for every horse out in that field. Where are we going to put them? I know what I'd do. You know Sheldon Lane? Those tumble-down stables over the other side? There's a fella called Chadwick owns them. He used to be a jockey and a racehorse trainer.
Yeah.
He's been away. He's back now and he's going to start training again. Just till he gets going, he's willing to stable some of our horses.
You've talked to him?
Yeah.
Without asking me?
Oh, I wish you'd stop. Gets on your nerves. Makes little things seem big and black.
We don't farm horses out. They belong here.
Where? Upstairs? You baffle me. Your head's in the clouds somewhere. Don't worry about tomorrow. There'll be a miracle along in a minute. There are only 3 horses out there can spend the winter in the field. The rest come in. Where, oh, where are we going to put them?
We're not farming them out.
Now, why should he say you wasn't practical?
Stabling the horses for the winter.
Yeah, well, he has been worried.
He brings 2 new ones in, I noticed.
Yeah, but they're for schooling, aren't they? I mean, them's the ones he wants. He wants Follyfoot to pay its way. No more bills for the Colonel.
He wants?
He says it's living off charity. Here, let me...
know what to do about wintering the horses. I have to talk to Uncle first. That's all.
You be careful, girl. He's ambitious and proud. He doesn't like the Colonel keep dipping into his pockets all the time.
Uncle doesn't mind.
He does. You think about it, girl, or you'll lose him.
It's chucking it down.
Missed you, though, didn't it?
Hello, Slugger.
Bill Chadwick. Here, come in. God, it's been a long time. You, been back long?
Last week?
Not too bad, was it?
Well, it's not like home, you know.
No, of course not. Oh, Dora, Bill Chadwick. Bill, my boss, Miss Dora, mistress of Follyfoot.
Yeah, I beg your pardon, miss. I came to see the Colonel. I thought...
He's coming over. It won't be long.
Thank you.
That's the address. Can you pick up a horse? They're expecting you.
Steve's got the horse box, expecting the mother to.
Well, they'll have to go back. There's no room.
Be careful, girl.
This one was going to be shot, Slugger. It's what we're here for.
I said be careful, and I meant it.
Yes. Here's those seem all right. Just the thing for a day like this. I wish I didn't have to go out.
So do I.
I miss you, Dora.
And me, you. Did you see Mr. Chadwick?
No, I got Slugger to push him out. I've got a committee meeting that starts at 2. Now let's get a move on. We're considering his application for a trainer's license. Wouldn't do us meeting before the hearing. Could be tricky, I think.
Why?
Oh, I don't know. Just could be.
Yeah. Steve won't leave, will he?
Don't miss much, do you?
Below stairs man myself. Knows me place. Don't get ideas above me station.
No, when you're on a good thing, that's why.
Doesn't Steve?
Ah, Steve. Dora and I'll have lunch in here. We've got a lot to go through. Tell Slugger, will you? Right, thanks. Do you want me?
No, I just work here.
What's up with Steve? A tiff?
He wants to make Follyfoot pay. Run it as a business.
And you?
I want Follyfoot to be as you made it. It's you. It has to be what you meant it to be. Half an hour ago, a woman rang. Her husband's died and she wanted his horse shot. Just like that. It still happens, you see. Someone has to protect them.
Yes, you're right. Someone has to protect them.
Uncle, can we build more stables?
I thought we'd come to that sooner or later. Where?
Along here.
A new building?
Yes.
Well, what'll it cost? Any idea?
No.
You'll have to get an estimate from Clay. You're sure you can cope? Oh, well. Hard work never harmed anyone. Good idea. I know, Ron told me. I'm not taking them back, Dora.
I wasn't going to say that. Don't fight me, Steve.
We fight all the time.
Yes, but suddenly it's not fooling anymore.
It's the rain.
We used to believe in the same things. I haven't changed. Follyfoot hasn't. What we stand for hasn't. Nothing's changed, Steve. Only you.
You must be kidding. When we came here, this place was a rich man's folly, a kindly man's whim. The kind man's gone, Dora. It's different. It's a charity, a second-hand dream. I want you and me to create something of our own.
And say, out Tansy, there's money to be made. Out Barney, you don't earn your keep. It would break Uncle's heart.
I don't think it would.
It's not second-hand to me, Steve. His dream's my dream. I won't do anything he wouldn't have done.
Then what do we do?
Build more stables.
Who?
Uncle's agreed. We're getting an estimate.
Bully for Uncle. Tansy may need flaming charity girl, but I don't. You're right. We're not fooling anymore. I'm not spending the rest of my life begging from your uncle. Whatever we do, let's please do it on our own. Create something with our own hands. Run it, earn our bread. If we can't do that, I'm sorry, girl. You'll have to beg without me. God, I wish it had stopped raining.
It's all go, innit? You know his idea, do you? We choose 10 of our grotty old crumblies and we pack them off to Chadwick. Chadwick stables them, feeds them, whispers sweet nothings, and we pay him £5 per week per crumbly. 50 quid a week. It's worth a sweet nothing or two, wouldn't you say? See, now he's got nothing else to live on. And where is the 50 quid coming from? I'm glad you asked me that. We bring in here 10 spanking new horses what need training. And we make the owners pay 10 quid per week. That's 100 quidlets. 50 for Chadwick, 50 for us. Boom. Flourishing business, everybody happy. Oh, but the best laid plans. Dear, dear, dear. What would you say if I told you Chadwick was an ex-con? Jailbird. Yeah. Just come out. 5 years in the nick. Fraud. Jockey in big race swindle. Banned from racecourses for life. Training licence taken away. Hardly the bloke to look after old Ladybird, eh? Poor Barney.
Hello, Mr. Clegg? Hello, it's Dora. Yes. Mr. Clegg, we want to build some more stables.
Time does Chadwick arrive?
God knows. After the hearing, I suppose.
What hearing?
He's trying to get his licence back.
Back?
Renewing it, I don't know.
Where's he been?
We're getting nosy all of a sudden, aren't we?
Getting secretive of a sudden, aren't we?
We aren't supposed to talk about it. There's an hearing on.
They got big ears, have they? That'll be them now. Telling us to keep our voices down. Hello, Follyfoot. Hello, Mr. Clegg.
I don't know where she is. Can I...
New stables? No, Sunday wouldn't be more convenient. Nor Monday.
Why don't you just forget it, eh?
That was Clegg. He can't manage tomorrow.
Oh, wait, please.
I told him to forget it.
Steve! Steve!
You call Clegg in spite of what I said. If you want to get rid of me, girl, then tell me to my face. That way's cheap.
Steve, please! Steve! The Chadwick idea won't work. We can't send horses there.
He's what?
He's just come out of prison.
So?
We don't know anything about him.
Except that he's been in prison. Well, that makes two of us. We jailbirds shouldn't touch your horses, is that it?
No.
If he can't, I can't. Which way do you want it, girl?
To change everything. Everyone tells me what I can't do, Slugger, but no one helps. Who's telling me how I can keep them? How I can keep Steve? How I can pay for things without Uncle? Everywhere I turn, there's people saying no. And all I want is for nothing to change and everyone to be as they've always been. And why can't it stop raining?
Stop it, you hear? Stop it! Put this on, come inside.
No!
You're behaving like a small child.
Wish it would stop.
He won't go, you know. He's onto a good thing. He knows it. Girls grow out of things, don't they? They move on, get married. Fellas don't. They decide what they want, put down roots, and fix things the way they want them. You think he cares what you want? Work it out. He'll be the boss, instead of you.
You creep!
Hang about.
Don't you know his game, girl? Oh, you're staring it, aren't you, mate? Are we so far apart that you believe that?
Oh, it's time you were told. You and your ambitions, trying to give us the runaround, change things the way it suits you. You're an hired hand, the same as me. And if that hurts your pride, you know what you can do about it.
Who's that talking, Dora? Ron? Or you? So long as we know.
Steve, listen.
Ron!
Stay out of it, girl.
Ron, no.
Put that down.
Oh, yeah, I should think so.
Steve. Stop it.
Steve? It's me! It's Ron!
Steve, Ron, stop it! Would you mind telling me what this is all about? Well?
I was chasing a rainbow, Uncle. Trying and trying to keep Follyfoot as it's always been. But I can't.
Why?
Because Follyfoot's people. And people change.
No, I meant, why keep it as it's always been?
It's the way you made it.
Oh. Well?
You said you wouldn't do anything he didn't. Well, just for the record, nor would I.
You mean farming out the horses?
Yes. We should tell her. I can't. But until she's told I've got to take her insults and her anger, told I'm trying to be boss, told I'm just a hired hand, she goes around with her head in the clouds chasing some second-hand rainbow.
Dora, Steve's only suggesting something that I used to do.
I don't want to hear!
Dora, do you remember those rather grand stables up at my place? Well, that's where the barn is and the ladybirds of what? 25 years ago. That's where they used to live. That's where all this started. You see, I wanted to run a training establishment too, so I packed them all off down here. My real work has been training horses. Well, it was what I was doing when you arrived, wasn't it? And I used to pop down here just to see that they were all right. Steve's only suggesting you do what I did.
Same footsteps, Dora. Different direction, that's all.
Look, come and meet Chadwick. He's a good man. And Steve's idea is just what he needs to set him up again. Oh, come on.
Sorry. Those things you said, was it you? Or has Dora said something?
It was the rain.
Oh, God, it's been a terrible day.
Bless me, miss. That's never laminitis. Too many oats, I'd say. She'll be all right. A little gentle exercise. Keep off the heat in foods. We'll have you right as rain in no time, won't we? Oh, they're lovely, miss. Ah. I've been wondering if you made up your mind, me stabling some of them for the winter.
What do you say?
Thank you. You've got what you wanted.
And you?
Was it fair? I hate change.
Stop training. It'll be all right tomorrow. You'll see.
Down in the meadow with the wind in the west, the lightning tree faced up to the test. His heart went snap when it took the rap, the terrible rap of the thunderclap. Grow, grow, the lightning tree, it's never too late for you and me. Grow, grow, the lightning tree, never give in too easily. Dreams come true when you want them to. If you want them to, then it's up to you.